trial of Nnamdi Kanu in Nigeria, in Abuja, marks a very sad moment that this trial is a politically charged theater of absurd. The government of Nigeria, the Supreme Court of Nigeria, found it not worth to listen to this type of accusations that were labeled against Mr. Nnamdi Kanu. It told Mr. Nnamdi Kanu, we don't have anything to hold you on. The politics of the day of Buhari, as you know, Buhari never liked anybody from Southeast in a state of Biafra, or in Biafra as it is, or the Southeast areas of Biafra, and all those states to speak. Decided no, he cannot release Nnamdi Kanu. The court released him. The intelligence intercepted him, took him back to jail. The trial has taken long. It continues to drag on. What amazed me today and yesterday when I watched, and the other day watched these trial proceedings, I found one interesting thing. Witnesses never identified themselves. Even coded names were not given to these witnesses. Who are these witnesses that don't identify themselves? That's point number one. Point number two, I would like to bring to the notice of Nigerians across wherever you are in the diaspora and whatever you are. If you call yourself, you have that Nigerian passport. Your country in 2014 ratified a treaty of the African Court of Human Rights and the People's Rights to accept it, to have jurisdiction over their matters in case there was anybody offended. They did sign it properly, ratify it properly. But Nigeria fraudulently withdrew the documents of declaration, what we call the instruments of declaration. Nigeria, a country of 250 million people, has not placed their declaration to this African Court of Human Rights and the People's and the Human Rights and People's and the Human Rights in Arusha. Sometime in 2023, on 30th of August, I filed an application in the court as a professional organization that has been doing quite a lot of work for Africa and across the continent of Africa and the globe. I wanted the court, I want to ask Nigeria to come to this court in Arusha. I was surprised to find the documents for the registrar of the court telling me the judges like the documents, like to understand, they read the documents. But David, Nigeria has not placed declarations, instruments of declaration in this court. Therefore, the court turned out and said they don't have jurisdiction to run that case of Nnamdi Kanu being brought to Arusha. I'm therefore asking anybody in Biafra, anybody in Nigeria who is listening to me, if Nigeria is really a member of the ECOWAS and African Union, why has it refused to sign? Has it refused to place declarations, instruments to the court so that the court can do judicial jurisdiction, have the jurisdiction over the matters of Nigeria? Why? Why? It is because The answers are many, but I believe one answer is Nigeria does not want to be accountable, does not want scrutiny because of its human rights records, abuse of human rights in Southeast, abduction, killings, rape, the army turning on civilians, beating, killing them. And as you can see from the clips coming from Nigeria, it is therefore our duty as Africans to spread this message. I have published the letter, the response, the official communication from the court, which was sent to me. And you can read it on my Twitter handle or my X account. You will find it there. This is this state that can call itself a leading state in Africa. The answer is no, it isn't. Thank you. God bless you. God bless Africa. That is it.